Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Java and launcher versions so you eliminate version mismatches. This is crucial because different Java builds handle networking differently. Once done, temporarily disable firewall and antivirus to see if they were blocking the socket. Make sure to re-enable them after testing. Next, record the server IP, port, and exact time the connection reset occurred so you can correlate logs. Doing these steps now prevents wasted effort chasing unrelated causes later. You enable Java networking debug and launcher logs to capture the TCP handshake and TLS details, because the connection reset often shows up as an abrupt TCP RSD in logs. Then, test from another network or a reliable VPN to determine whether your ISP or NAT device is dropping packets. Simultaneously inspect server logs for timeouts, out of memory, or plugin errors that force resets. These server-side events frequently terminate connections intentionally. Make configuration changes based on these concrete findings. You apply fixes, align Java to the server-recommended LTS, tweak JVM arguments for networking timeouts, and reconfigure the router's NAT timeout and MTU to prevent mid-connection resets. Make sure port forwarding and any IP whitelist entries match the server. Once done, restart server and client and retest. If problems persist, run a minimal client against a clean server instance to reproduce the error. Troubleshooting tip: if resets continue, test with a packet capture. It reveals whether RSDs are from client, server, or an intervening device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.